Hi guys, so in this video I will show you how we can use a HTML template in the LWC. So first we will see how we can write expressions. Okay. So we can bind JavaScript property in template using expression. Okay. So let's say for example hello world. Instead of hello world I will put name here. Okay, and I want to take name as JavaScript property. Okay, so I put JavaScript property and I will save it. I will show you how we can use this property on the LWC. Okay, so since I am using that property here, now I will show you whether this property is successfully, using this property we are successfully display the UI or not. It's not reflected. Maybe we need to hard reload. You see, now whatever changes we made in JavaScript are now reflected on this UI. Okay guys, so now I will show you how we can use if else means how we can conditionally render content on a template, and how we can use for loop to display any list. Okay, so let's take an example of if first. Okay, so under that I will use template if true. So if condition is true, so at that in that case I will likely to render this such a content. Just a minute, I will show you. So I have this content, visual content. Okay, because my if visual will be true, then it will be visible. Okay, if visual will be false, then it will not be. If visual is false, then I will display another content. Okay, this is hidden content. Okay guys, so this is to test conditional rendering. So let me save it and show you. I will need to hard reload this. So guys, I am not seeing anything because this property I have not defined in JavaScript. So I will make it as true. So in this case visual content will be displayed on the UI. Both content, maybe we made some mistake. So here we have to make it false. Okay guys, so in case of true, if visible is true, then it will be displayed because we are using if true, and here we are using if false. That means if is visible is false, then it will be true. Okay, so now let's check it. Okay guys, so we are just seeing visible content here. Okay, now in case of if I change this to false and I save it, and now if I hard reload it, I will see hidden content here on the UI. You see? Okay. So if else is clear, I think. Now we will see how we can use uh, for loop, means for each, okay, to display any list. So I have content ready already. So I will just copy and paste and show you. So let me use this. Okay. So here I am using template, and inside this I am using for each. So this is our variable which is coming from JavaScript, and this is a list, and using this list we will be creating a variable which we will display in the li. Okay. And the key is important here, which is mandatory. So this is just for uniqueness of this component, okay, inside this for each. So now this list will display name and email. Okay. So we will display name and email. So let me define first this contact list here. So I have this contact list ready already. So I will copy and paste. So this is the contacts. Using this contact list, this is contacts variable, okay, which is a list, and here I have created a list of objects. Okay. So we are using here ID, name, and email. Okay. Now this name and email will be displayed on the line. So this is a JS. If you know how we can create JSON, so using JSON notation we can define a list in JavaScript. Okay. Now using this list we can iterate our this template, and we can populate this li inside this UI. Okay. Now let me deploy it. Now on the UI we will see the name and the email of these two contacts. Okay. Now on the UI, if I hard reload, I will see this first name and email, second name and the next email. Okay. Got it? I think you got it. Now in case I add third name, so you get that as well on the UI. Let's say I add Sandy or Sandeep Kumar, and here Sandy. Okay. So I will see this third contact info as well. Okay. So guys, so I can see all the three contacts. And guys, if you have any doubt, please put your question in comment. I will be happy to assist you. Thank you.